The person you're making this egg for would probably be okay with a little salt and pepper in there.
Yeah, I'll put some salt and pepper on it. So here's the salt. So just a dab would do that because I don't like cooking stuff with salt and pepper on salt because a friend of mine, the cook, says a lot of times the salt won't make the food rise up, so the egg won't be fluffy. So you put the salt on afterward, but the person I'm making it for wants salt and pepper, so I'll put salt and pepper on it. Hi, this is Paul. I'm going to try to make a scrambled egg. So first thing I do is get a paper towel out. It'll probably be a little messy. And then I get my egg right here.
So have you cracked any eggs since you had the stroke?
Nope, I haven't cracked no eggs, so I go like this. Ain't doing too good.
That's okay. You're gonna scramble it anyway.
Yeah.
Did you get any shell in there?
Yep. I ain't gonna eat it, so I ain't worrying about it.
You're just gonna feed it to me?
Yep. Since I don't eat eggs, so. Go over here and throw it away. A friend of mine is a chef and he can crack them with one hand, so I don't know how, but he does it.
Well, you just did it too.
No, he does. He just cracks it. You don't get none ornament.
Had no shell in it?
Yeah, and the shell goes in half, and he, with one hand, he throws the egg away, the shell away. So. So it's mixing up pretty good, so that's one thing. Looks pretty good. Now bring it over here. Put some Pam in it just in case it wants to stick. Probably don't need the fork no more, so I put that in the sink. Okay, I put that in the sink and run water on it. Now I get a spatula. So I guess they ain't heated up enough yet.
The person you're making this egg for would probably be okay with a little salt and pepper in there.
Yeah, I'll put some salt and pepper on it. So here's the salt. So just a dab would do that because I don't like cooking stuff with salt and pepper on salt because a friend of mine, the cook, says a lot of times the salt won't make the food rise up, so the egg won't be fluffy. So you put the salt on afterward, but the person I'm making it for wants salt and pepper, so I'll put salt and pepper on it.
So why don't you eat eggs?
Ever since I was little, I never ate eggs. One time they said that the doctor made me eat powdered eggs for some reason, and I never ate eggs ever since. I can remember when I was little, I was sitting at the table and they said I couldn't get up till I eat my eggs, and I stayed there sometimes probably 5 to 6 hours or more.
Did you eventually eat the eggs, or they eventually gave up and let you up?
Told me I had to go to bed about bedtime then, so I went to bed. I would never eat those eggs. And I lived all this time without eating eggs.
So how are you doing there with that pan on that flat stove?
This is pretty good, but when I cook hamburger meat or something, it's harder because you guys, it's more, got to move around and stuff like that. And a lot of times the pans start sliding around just, so sometimes I put other pans on there to keep it from moving around as much.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And then I use the handle against me. So if I'm cooking like this, I put the handle right here and I go like this and stir stuff up too. So with the bigger pan, the handle goes against me and I can do that.
That's a good way to do it.
Okay, so let me go get a plate. So here's an egg for whoever wants it. I know everybody's jumping in, wants it, but I should have made toast, but they ain't asked for toast.
They just asked for an egg, huh?
Yep, and that's it for me. I'm out of here. Bye.